All right, what's next?
The M.2 drive, right?
There you go.
Hell yeah.
What'd you get for your SSD?
Patriot P300 M.2 PCIe Gen 3 X4. 256 gigs, because apparently that's all you need.
Yes. Basically, you're just going to have the operating system on it, which we're going with Hex OS. Investment disclosure, Linus is invested in it, but it's still a good piece of software for people who don't want to tinker with TrueNAS. Low profile cooler. Thankfully, these coolers actually come with a thing called instructions.
Yeah, but who the hell reads instructions?
Probably someone who doesn't know what they're doing.
That's why I have you here.
I've never installed this cooler.
Damn, what does he do here?
My goodness.
I'm kidding.
It's all in Mandarin.
Did you just assume I could read